Adi Mantalio. Ustunal, pumukol ng 3. Ilogod. Driven by Pinyon. Pinyon dribbling the ball. Pass to Nebria. Pass to Baita. Baita, pass to Nebria. Back to Baita again. Pumukol ng long 3. No goal driven by Lara dribbling the ball. Lara, Binuaya. No goal. Baita dribbling the ball. Up. Foul by number 10. Matungkan ka mo yan. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Pinyon, driven by pass to Obok, Wadley.